Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So hope you guys saw my shots before. I hope I posted it. So with that said, I bought some measured premiums. So I'm proper premiums I'm talking about. So here it is. So the Toyota Hilux. So these are really nice and it is really what that money which you are spending. I think I bought for 899. Yeah, that's MRP here. So this is 2026 casting, and here is the second one. So the Bugatti Veyron Super Sport. And see, these older castings I'm not seeing done by much of the brands nowadays, but at least majority is doing right now, and they're doing it like true to this particular car instead of just going with a random set of wheels or something like that. So apart from Tomica, they are doing this really well for this price point. And here's the last one, which is my favorite and most probably everyone's favorite. So I do love all these three, but I'm just saying the Toyota Supra. I really wish they released this in a different color instead of like pure white. I mean, a green color would be really good for a Toyota Supra, or a yellow color like this, that Lamborghini, that particular yellow or that orange or even that Gallardo green. All would have looked really beautiful on this, but they decided to go with white. I don't know why. Yeah, so we will be unboxing. Okay, so we will be unboxing these three castings this week, so stay tuned for that, guys. And I might be putting out a sale video soon, so I'm going to start off with a small sale video because only few I'm having down right now. Rest everything is up, so, like on the attic. I need to take out, I need to organize. It takes a lot of time. But if you guys remember the premiums which I unboxed very recently, that Thrill Climber series, I'm planning to sell that set. So if you guys want that end, I don't have the Benz, to be very honest. If I had that, I would have unboxed that in my channel. Again, I promise you one thing, I'm not fan of a Benz at all. So so I don't have it with me. So if I have that, I would have sold it as a set like 5 piece itself. So right now I have four of it. So I'm selling those four. So I will be doing a small video on that as well, very soon. And we will be doing a giveaway video as well. So I don't know, I might have done this before release of this particular video. If I done this before this video, then I'm happy about myself. If I didn't do that at that point of time, then I will be doing it soon. But sale video also same. I am planning to do it before this video itself. So if I did that also before, then it be well and good. I will come back to Chennai and I will do more sale videos. So I am trying to sell my Hot Wheels and some of my Hot Wheels and some of my Matchbox collections which I have, because I don't have any space, to be honest. And I reached a saturation point when it comes to Hot Wheels. So it is really getting out of hand. So I'm just trying to buy only premiums. I might have mentioned this a week or 2 weeks back. So I hit that level. So I'm just concentrating only on buying the premiums. I do have a lot of Hot Wheels and Matchbox. I didn't even open it. Even last year one, some from this year and some from 2023. Actually, a lot from 2023. So I didn't even unbox those. So I may do a video on those and sell those as well. So that's my actual plan. I'm planning to collect only the premium brands, like even the majority premium. This kind of premiums are above this range, like like Mini GT, Tarmac, Power Brace, or 64, Para 64. Para 64, okay, it's a good brand. No one actually buys that, but it is a really nice brand. Try it out. So on top of that, like even My Stores, the premium version of My Stores, those kind of things. So with that said, okay, it took so much of time right now. I thought of ending this video in 2 minutes. So we reached 4 minutes now. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Have a great day. Goodbye.